Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of healthy smoothies. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a post-workout boost, or a nutritious snack, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing 12 of our favorite smoothie recipes that are not only easy to make, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and all the goodness your body needs. So grab your blender and get ready to blend up some tasty, nutritious drinks that will keep you feeling energized and refreshed all day long. Let's get started. Are you tired of the same old breakfast routine? Want a quick and tasty way to boost your energy and nutrition? Stay tuned because we've got 12 mouth-watering smoothie recipes that are not only delicious, but also incredibly healthy. From tropical delights to green powerhouses, these smoothies will revolutionize your mornings and keep you feeling amazing all day long. Let's dive in. 1. Tropical Mango Smoothie. First up, we have the Tropical Mango Smoothie. For this one, you'll need 1 cup of frozen mango, half a banana, a cup of coconut water, and a handful of spinach. Blend it all together until smooth, and you've got a refreshing, tropical treat that's perfect for summer mornings. 2. Berry Blast Smoothie. Next, let's make a Berry Blast Smoothie. Combine 1 cup of mixed berries, half a cup of Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a cup of almond milk. This smoothie is loaded with antioxidants and protein to kickstart your day. 3. Green Power Smoothie. For our Green Power Smoothie, you'll need 1 cup of kale, 1 green apple, half a cucumber, a slice of ginger, and a cup of water. This one is a powerhouse of nutrients and great for detoxifying. 4. Peanut Butter Banana Smoothie. Craving something creamy and satisfying? Try our Peanut Butter Banana Smoothie. Blend 1 banana, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 cup of oat milk, and a dash of cinnamon. This is a perfect post-workout smoothie packed with protein. 5. Strawberry Banana Smoothie. Next up is a classic, the Strawberry Banana Smoothie. Blend 1 cup of strawberries, 1 banana, half a cup of Greek yogurt, and a splash of orange juice. It's a timeless combo that's always a hit. 6. Avocado Spinach Smoothie. For a creamy, nutrient-dense option, let's make an avocado spinach smoothie. You'll need half an avocado, a cup of spinach, a green apple, and a cup of coconut water. This smoothie is rich in healthy fats and fiber. 7. Pineapple Coconut Smoothie. Transport yourself to a tropical paradise with our Pineapple Coconut Smoothie. Blend 1 cup of pineapple, half a banana, a cup of coconut milk, and a handful of spinach. It's like a vacation in a glass. 8. Chocolate Almond Smoothie. For a sweet treat, let's make a chocolate almond smoothie. Combine 1 frozen banana, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, a cup of almond milk, and a tablespoon of almond butter. This smoothie tastes like dessert, but is still healthy. 9. Blueberry Oat Smoothie. Next, we have a Blueberry Oat Smoothie. Blend 1 cup of blueberries, half a cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of almond milk, and a teaspoon of honey. This smoothie is perfect for a filling breakfast. 10. Carrot Ginger Smoothie. For a unique twist, try our Carrot Ginger Smoothie. You'll need 1 cup of carrot juice, half an orange, a slice of ginger, and a tablespoon of honey. It's a vibrant, zesty smoothie that's great for your immune system. Apple Cinnamon Smoothie. Next up is an Apple Cinnamon Smoothie. Blend 1 green apple, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a cup of almond milk, and a tablespoon of almond butter. This one tastes like a fall treat. 12. Kiwi Spinach Smoothie. Last but not least, we have a kiwi spinach smoothie. Combine 2 kiwis, a handful of spinach, a cup of coconut water, and a squeeze of lime. This smoothie is a refreshing and tangy end to our list. And there you have it, 12 delicious and healthy smoothies to keep you energized and feeling great. Be sure to let us know in the comments which one is your favorite or if you have any smoothie recipes to share. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tasty new video. Thanks for watching and happy blending!